So now here comes the most awaited step where we will be creating the account on ChatGPT. So for that you can either go directly to chat.openai.com, or you can type this on Google, ChatGPT, and then you can click on the first link, and then you can click on try ChatGPT, and here you can create a free account. So you need to click on sign up. Here you need to put the email address from which you want to create account on ChatGPT, and then you need to click continue. So now once you have put the email ID, you can put the password. So now after putting the password, you can click on continue, and that's it. Your free account is ready. So they are saying they have sent verification mail, so we need to click on that verification mail. Once you will click on the verification mail, so then your account will be verified, and now you can start the onboarding process. And then you will be getting this option. You need to type your full name and birthday, and then you will be clicking on agree. So then it will start loading, and here it is, we are on our dashboard. So it is a very easy process, and this is a free account. You don't need to pay any what do you say, credit card details, or you don't need to pay any money or give credit card details. So in the first screen currently we are getting this option, create a cartoon illustration of my pet, or chat gpt start a guide, text inviting friend to wedding. So you might get the same or different screen depending on the country or the location from which you are watching or making the account.